Terminate. So day 12. Start machine. Yeah. So before we begin, we suggest that you start the attack machine. You'll need it to answer questions at the end. Grinch Enterprises has been leaving traces of how their hackers have been accessing the data from the system. You found a unique server that they use. We need your help to find out what method they've been using to extract the data. We've noticed that machine IP, that will generate in a second, is generating unusual traffic. We highly suspect that Grinch Enterprises are using it to access our data. We'll use Nmap to discover the services running on their server. So we'll need Nmap again. Scan the target machine. Remember that Windows blocks pings. We'll need to add PN and scan correctly how many TCP ports are open. I already guessed that one. The answer format just had like one answer, or one asterisk. So I was just like, I started at like 9, 8, 7 and then got it straight away. So we'll run it anyway. So 6, 5. Never remember what the total port count is. Six, 5, 5, 3, 5. And the new host name is 10.10.47.253. PN enable Jess. So while that's scanning, let's see the rest of it. So the network file system, NFS, is a protocol that allows the ability to transfer files between different computers, and it is enabled on many systems, including Microsoft Windows and Linux. Consequently, NFS makes it easy to share files between various operating systems. In the scan results you received earlier, you should be able to spot NFS or Mount D, depending on whether you used the -SV option with Nmap or not. Which port is detected by Nmap as NFS or using the Mount D service? Let's have a look. Got 13 minutes remaining for this scan, holy cow. It's not actually taking the time it claims. It'd be nice if it showed you like ports as it found them, as opposed to sort of waiting to the end. Actually, if it's only going to want just do 10,000 and we'll do the SV instead of ST because the answer format's only 4 stars, so it's going to be between 1,000 and 9999. So. Yeah, 43% done. If you want to scan all ports, you can do -P- instead. Oh, nice. Yeah, I think it said that on one of the early ones. So I like being quite verbose. It's nice having the control over it. Just all the power. So 95. Any second now. Why has it started from 12 again? It's stuck on 75. What? What it's doing now? %80 now. What's that NSE timing? There it goes, done it. Question about NS timing. Just saying it misbehaves. NSE scripts. List of scripts, pack of mmap. So it's just like some extra extension scripts or something that runs. Alright, so Mount D 2049. Now that we've discovered the NFS service, let's check what files are being shared. We can do this with show mount. In the terminal below, we run show mount. Is that one word? Yep, show mount. 2049. No, you don't need that. Dash E 10.10.47.253. Okay, so it's just broadcasting the mounts. Dash E exports the list. So we can see in the terminal output we have two shares: share, my notes, admin files. After you have started the attached machine and used the attack box to discover the shares. What? After you have started the attack machine, use the attack box to... Oh, right, yeah, we've done that. How many shares did you find? 4. How many shares for everyone? 3. Let's try to mount the shares we've discovered. We can create a directory on the attack box using make dir temp1, where temp1 is the directory name. We can then use the directory we created to mount the public share. Just say mount location and then the local directory. So make dir temp1 mount 10.10.47.253 slash my, is it my notes with a hyphen, my hyphen notes xtmp1. You must be sudo, so sudo mount. Right. Oh yeah, so it says it's going to fail. Oh no, it worked because I used sudo, but so it shouldn't have worked. It should have used share TMP. So one of the other ones. Which means it doesn't exist. Let's just start that again. So make dir TMP1 sudo mount. Let's not use sudo actually, that's the normal mount. Oh, hang on, I missed the colon slash TMP1. How to apply fstab options. Mount 10.10.47.253 share temp1. Right, I'm guessing that worked. Yeah, cool. So some files in there. ls temp1. So you've got the files there. There are two text files. You can open the files with a text editor such as nano or something quicker like less. What is the title of file 2680-0? So less. Actually, no, let's use nano for the win. So 2 and just tab it. T680-0.tx. Nothing. Oh, it does help if I go in the dir. ls temp1. TMP1. And then try it. It's better. The title is Meditations. Why does my clipboard never work? It seems the Grinch Enterprises has forgotten their SSH keys on the system. One of the shares contains a private key used for SSH auth. So they've got an IDRSA token. And what is the name of the share? I guess we're going to have to... Well, actually, if we come out of there... and go... We just mount the other ones. So what's the other options we had? Admin files a bit. Admin-files. That's denied, so just unmount. New mount. Right, make dir tmp2 access is denied to server. Confidential. Okay, so that works. CD TMP2. It's got the SSH key. What is the name of the share? So it's just confidential. We can calculate the MD5 sum of a file using MD5 sum file name. What is the MD5 sum of ID RSA? So it's just MD5 sum ID RSA. So I could out there. Copy selection and paste. Cool. That's that one. Terminate.